Welcome and Lokman's voice. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to continue our chat about health and wellness. In this video, we are looking at part 2 of how Lokman the wise approached weight loss and managing excess weight. You know, when people think about losing weight, they usually jump straight to strict diets, counting every single calorie or doing crazy workouts. But traditional wisdom looks at it very differently. It's not just about eating less. It's really about how your body feels on the inside, how your stomach is doing, and whether your whole system is in balance. Basically, Lokman thought that when you put your body back in harmony, healthy weight loss just happens naturally. Now, you might be asking, who is Lokman the Wise? Well, in Western medicine, everyone knows Hippocrates as the father of medicine. But in traditional Middle Eastern and Central Asian wisdom, Lokman Hakim is known as the surgeon's perspective. Why do people gain weight? No, as many of you know, before doing all this, I spent 10 years working as a doctor, especially as a gastroenterology surgeon, treating people with stomach and digest issue every day. And from all those years in the hospital, I noticed one big thing about weight gain. You know what almost every person struggling with weight has in common? They ate way too fast. They swallow their food quickly, they drink quickly, and they finish their meals in just a few minutes. When you eat super fast, your stomach doesn't even have time to tell your brain, hey, I am full. So you end up eating way more than your body actually needs. On top of that, your stomach has to work twice as hard to process big chunks of food that weren't chewed properly. So, my obsolete number one rule for everyone. Something I always told my patients is very simple. Slow down. Chew your food slowly. Enjoy your meal. If you stop eating fast, you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to manage your weight without suffering. Real life success stories, healthcare professionals. Let me share a quick story with you to show you that this actually works in real life. Over the years, I've helped a lot of people lose weight just by changing the simple daily habits. I remember three specific cases where medical colleagues came to me asking for help because they couldn't lose weight. Two of them were dentists and one was a nurse. Now, think about it. Dentists and the nurses are super smart people. They work in health. They know about bodies, but they were still struggling with their weight. Why? Because they worked long, stressful hours, ran around all day and rushed through their meals in 5 minutes. So I told them, look, don't go on an extreme diet. Just fix the way you eat. Slow down. Take your time with every bite and give your stomach a break. They followed this simple advice, and you know what happened? All three of them successfully lost weight, kept it off, and felt way more energized. They didn't need fancy supplements or extreme sacrifices. They just changed their habit of rushing. Lokman's core principles made simple. So bring it all back to Lokman the wise teachings. Here are three easy takeaway points to remember. 1. Killer out the sluggishness. When you gain weight, your body's energy flow gets slow and stuck. Slow down your eating and drinking plenty of warm fluids helps get your metabolic flow moving again. 2. Listen to your digestive system. It's not just what you eat, but how you eat. Treat your stomach with respect. Give it small, natural meals and enough time to digest properly. 3. Focus on small daily habits. There is no magic trick or overnight cure. True health comes from teeny, consistent choose you make every single day. Make eating slowly lifetime habit. Auto encouragement. So yeah, you don't need to overcomplicate health. You don't need to memorize complex medical jargon or starve yourself. Just slow down, listen to your body, and build good daily habits. If you try eating slower starting today, let me know in the comments below how you feel after a week. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends or family who might need a reminder to slow down. Stay healthy and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.